Hi guys, Amanda here from Sell, Spend, Travel. My husband Brad is behind the camera doing the recording today, so hello Brad.
Hi.
Hi. So today we have a bulk box unboxing for you, and this one is clothing, shoes, and accessories. Everything is supposed to be in brand new condition. There's 18 items in the box. We paid $62.64 for it, which means that per piece we should be at about $3.48 all in. And the MSRP on this box is $496.84. So we will get right into it and see what we got. And this one should have some multiples in it, so that should make life a little easier on the listing side of it. So if I can get into it, then we'll see what we got. And if you like these videos and videos like it, then please make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that it'll notify you whenever we put up new videos. We've been doing a lot of bulk boxings, but we've also got some other ones coming down the pipe, or they may already be up by the time you see this video. So we're having a lot of fun doing this, and we've been reselling for several years now, but we just never did any unboxing or did anything on YouTube. And now we're just having a good time with it. So here we go. Here's the box right out of the gate, what it looks like. And I believe this has men's and women's clothing, and then it's supposed to have multiples of a soft-sided cooler in it. So we'll see what we got. So we'll get started right here. So it says universal thread. These are women, size 12 short, mid-rise skinny. They're kind of denim, but not really denim. There's supposed to be another pair of these in here too. So we'll see. So that's the front. Here's the back. So that's perfect for this time of year. So hopefully there's another pair in here somewhere. So, and the good thing about bulk with brand new items is if you get your box or your pallet, whichever way you're ordering, and it's in new condition items, but you don't get something or something is damaged when you get it, then you can actually file with bulk. You just send, it's help@bulk.com. You just send them an email with your case number. They'll ask for the LP number, which is the little black sticker right here. They'll ask for that. That's on the item. And you send them a picture of the damage, if it's a damaged item. Or if you don't have it, you just say, I didn't get it. I didn't get this LP. And generally, they'll issue you some type of refund. But customer service there has been fantastic. And overall, I have had a really, really great experience with them there. So that's one of the reasons that I keep coming back to bulk. So here we go. So next item, this is Wild Fable. It's a size extra large. Yep. And it's a women's, I guess this is like a tunic top. It doesn't, I don't know. It might be a dress. I don't know what this is, honestly. Kind of looks too short for a dress, but really long for a top. I think it's probably just a tunic top. But it kind of feels like a sweatshirt. Like a thin sweatshirt. So that's cute. That'll probably do well in Poshmark. Would be my guess. Alright, then next we have, this is another pair of universal thread. This is high-rise skinny. And these are a size 0. And they're just kind of a dark red. It's hard to tell when the light's right on you. Yep, it's kind of like a dark brick red. And those are new with tags. I don't see any damage or anything there. All right, this is another Wild Fable. Just like the other one, but a different color. So this one is like a rust orange color. It's got the tiered bottom there. This is also a size extra large. Don't see any problems with that one. Oh my goodness. Baby clothes. It's baby clothes. All right, are they stuck? Yep, these go. So this is a set. That's what I was trying to figure out. So this is Cat and Jack, 3 to 6 months. And it's supposed to be, this is supposed to be inside of there because it has these little cute little suspenders here that go with it. This is really cute, but I couldn't imagine trying to get my baby to keep these suspenders up. But either way, it kind of looks like that when it's all done. If that, I don't know what it looks like there on the front, but there you go. So, and it is new with tags. And on the back, the little plastic tie thing has got it all twisted up, but it's got the cute little suspenders there on the back too. All right. And let's see here. This is Who, What, Where. And this is a size extra large. This has got some fuzzies on it, but otherwise looks to be in good shape and extremely wrinkled. So, and I guess this is a dress. I don't know. I'm really confused. Oh, yep, dress. There we go. Who, What, Where, dress. Black, extra large. I'm betting that maybe it may need to have a belt with it. I'm not sure on that. I'll have to look that one up and see if it's supposed to have a belt. So, and then next, this is Ava and Viv. This is a size 4X. There. So, that's a really nice, pretty pattern. And it's kind of got a balloon sleeve there with it, with the elastic at the bottom. There's the back of it. And it's kind of lightweight too. And that is definitely a great item, a great travel item for travel. It's very packable. It's not gonna wrinkle so bad. Unlike this one that's already very wrinkled. And this is Maternity top, I believe. Yep, Isabel Maternity. This is a size extra small. And it's got the belt there all tied up at the bottom, but that's cute. And here's the other pair of khaki universal thread mid-rise skinny pants. That's just fuzz. Okay. There's the back. So that's awesome. So that means I can just make one listing on these with a multiple quantity of 2. Anything that saves me time, I am happy about. So, and then this is a bathing suit. It's very much inside out. Looks like it's only the top. I thought it was supposed to be a top and a bottom. Maybe there's a bottom down there. I'll have to check and see if I can get it turned in the right way. Okay, this is like a jigsaw puzzle. Why is it not going the right way? Here we go. Maybe. What the heck is happening? This is why this one ended up in a box, because nobody could figure out how to put it on. There we go. So I think I got it right now. So that's a top there. This is a Miracle Suit. I believe is what it is. Yep, Dream Suit by Miracle Brands. So there's the front. There's the back. It's got a nice little razor back there. So, and it's got that nice little flowy fabric, so it's not so clingy until you get wet, and then it's over with. All right, and then this is just a little single pack of Vital Proteins that I just dropped on the floor. So, and this will just, I won't list this by itself. It'll just go in a box of stuff that probably I end up putting on Facebook Marketplace. So far, everything that I've shown you, I will more than likely list on eBay and Poshmark and Mercari. Maybe on Depop. So, and then these are the coolers that I mentioned earlier. So these are a Clever Made Tahoe cooler, snap up leak proof cooler is what it says. And this says original retail was $40. And it will hold 50 cans plus ice. All right, so let's see how it opens up. This should be fun. So it looks, oh, that's cool. Okay, so this little thing is just stretchy, and that's what holds it down, it looks like. And then pops up like that. And that's the full size of it. So these would be great. I might actually put these on the yard sale page, or I could put them online too, because they collapse down, and it's not really heavy, so it'd be easy to ship. And here's the inside of it. Did you get it all?
Yep, I think so.
Okay. And it's got little feet there on the bottom too. So these are really cool. And this is perfect time of year for these. So that once you go to the pool or the beach or wherever it is that you're going to, when you get done and you don't have anything left, you just empty your ice out, dry it out, and collapse it back down, and you don't have to worry about hauling that big heavy cooler everywhere. So that's very cool. So there should be 7 of these in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got all 7 of them. And there's nothing else down here at the bottom. So that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this this unboxing. And please make sure to like and subscribe. We really appreciate all of that and all the support from everyone. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them. And otherwise, make sure you just come back and watch some more videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Are we ready?
We're rolling.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was like 5 seconds ago.
Hey guys, Amanda here from Sell Spend Travel. My husband Brad is recording behind the camera there. Hello, Brad, aka the Honey Bunny.
Hi.
Can we start over?
Okay, yeah, let's just do that.